I'm about to share with you now has helped me got my first 300 views, 200 views, another 200 views in less than 7 days. And yes, I'm going to keep doing this format for my videos to keep going out. This is how you can get YouTube to recommend your videos to other people that are not your subscribers. Yes, this is a format that will help YouTube push your videos to people that are not even your subscribers, that have never seen you in their life before. The first format I have for you is recreating similar content like other content creators. This is a way of more like copying other content, right? If I'm to advise you, I'm going to advise you to go and look for content creators that are within the same niche like you are and get their top content in their channel and recreate something like that. Yes, make their top content in the last 1 month, on the last 2 weeks, on the last 3 weeks, and recreate that kind of content. When you recreate a viral content from a similar niche like you are, YouTube tend to push that content out because people are looking for that kind of content. Example is how to go viral on YouTube. And you also have a format that can help people to go viral on YouTube. All you have to do is get a person's video, watch it, recreate your own video and add something similar or add something different to that video. Or you get someone else's video and be like, when you watch the video and say that person didn't touch into some angles that you feel like you can touch in properly, you make your own video and touch into that particular format. And yes, that way you are recreating an already existing video. And when you put out that video on YouTube, it will get engagement and it will get likes and comments and subscribers because you're creating a similar content that's already doing well on YouTube. Example, I saw a video of how to get YouTube to recommend your videos and nobody thought about recreating content. That's why I'm making this video. I'm talking about recreating similar content or viral content that other content creators have made, but they did not really touch a particular part of it. Yes, this content now is about this content I'm making for you now is about content I've already seen 3 to 4 accounts post over a month ago that did up to 12k views. And here I am recreating a particular video into my own video and adding my own format, which is recreating similar content. When you recreate similar content that you have seen that have gone viral in the past, and you add a little idea or a little different something to the video tends to do well because you're recreating something that someone else did, but in a better format. Don't copy verbally, just recreate an existing content. If you want YouTube to recommend your videos out to other creators, I've said this in my previous video. This is how YouTube works. When you put out a video on YouTube, you have 0 subscribers and you put out a video on YouTube, YouTube will push that video to at least 10 to 20 persons. They're trying to test if that video is worth pushing out to millions of persons. That's why you say that a video went viral. Do you get? So what YouTube does is that when they push out your content or your video to the first 10 to 20 persons, that 10 to 20 persons will determine how far that video will do or how far that video will go. Do you understand? Like if you go to an analysis, that's what we call impression. YouTube pushed your video out to 1,500 persons, but only 300 of them decided to click and watch that video. Did you see? They push it out to 1,500, and that 1,500 people are the one that determined whether that video will do up to 100 or 200 views or not. Do you get? So my second format now is using your second YouTube account. Yes, when you have a YouTube account, you have 2 accounts, 3 accounts, 4 accounts, 5 accounts. When you make a video, use those accounts and watch your videos. When you use those accounts and watch your own videos, it triggers the algorithm to believing that this video is actually worth pushing out to more people to consume or worth pushing out to more people to see. And that way, it triggers the algorithm and it actually goes out to more people. This is where the trick comes in. When you have 2 to 3 accounts, YouTube accounts on YouTube, and use it to watch your videos, let that account watch it up to at least half of the video or watch the entire video. That way, you to push out the video to people that they feel like they also like that kind of content that you made, whereby that's when the video kind of picks up and start going viral and start doing well to an extent on YouTube. Do you get? So have 2 or 3 YouTube accounts that will help to push out your content on YouTube. Another way to make your video recommended well on YouTube is having good thumbnail and having good title. I can kid you not. Before I watch a video on YouTube, the title has to be something that I want to watch, and the thumbnail has to be something that I really want to like. It's intriguing. It can trigger me to want to click on that video. Assuming the thumbnail is boring, right, and title is good, I am 50-50 chances not able to click that video. But I'm likely to click, I'm likely not to click, right? But when the thumbnail is good and the title is good, I am definitely clicking on that video. Do you understand? So you have to make your thumbnail good and your title very, very good. I'm going to focus more on one thing in this video. Make sure you recreate similar content. Example, you have a content creator on YouTube that you really like person's content. you go to the person's page, right? And you go to on their popular videos. When you click on their popular videos, and you also both of you create the same kind of content, go to their video and click on the popular videos. When you click on the popular videos, that their number one popular video is also, if it's something you can make, right? Write it down somewhere. When you write it down somewhere, go to ChatGPT or anywhere and research more on that content. When you research more, you see that there's certain things that the person will have added to that video and the person did not add, right? When you go through that thing and you someone the person did not add certain things to that video, you make that thing that did not add as the beginning of your own video. That way, anybody that watching your video will see that there's something different in your video instead of the usual ones. And this way, click-through rate matters. When someone comes into a video and they click a video A talking about how to make money, and trend number one is Twitter. Video B is saying how to make money. Number one is Twitter. You as video C, you're not meant to talk about Twitter again as your number one. Talk about Twitter as your number last or your second to last. If you want to talk about number one, talk about like TikTok as number one, or Twitter as number, or as Facebook as number one, or YouTube as number one. Do you get? That way you're being different, but you're recreating the same video. This YouTube idea I'm giving you guys for a small account, an account that are willing to grow on YouTube real fast or real quick. And yes, that's the format I have for you guys in this video. And if you want me to explain in details how you can add all these end screens that you go to see here, or these end screens on the particular end of the video, tell me in the comment section and I'll do just that in my next video. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Do well to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys on another video.